Hi everybody. I'm going to do a dip today. I've never done regular dip before. I've done the reverse dip with the plastic or the paper towel. But now I'm going to do a regular dip. I'm going to give it a whirl. And if you can see everything, I might pull this out a little bit so you can see the full. I took my tray away because I needed a flat table. All right, so I gotta lay some white down here. I took my canvas like this and I marked where the corners are gonna be just to give me a guide to where to put the paint. I'll just spread this down. There, I think that's good. Should be plenty. And I have to put some paint on my little canvas also. This is how Fiona does it. Anyway, okay, I'll get the rest of my sides later. All right, so I've got a few colors planned out here. I've got some copper, I got some red, I got some yellow, and a couple of greens. So I was thinking of doing a red flower. I don't know if I have enough red. I need to add some more red. I have a Daler-Rowney red that I've mixed. It's brilliant red. Yeah, it's pretty good consistency. It doesn't have to be too thin for this. You don't want it too thin for this. So I'm just going to do the drizzle effect. Might not come out like a flower. It might come, I don't know, maybe it will. I've never done the drizzle effect before. All right. That's the red. I got some copper. I'm going to stir it. some yellow. Oh, I have a little turquoise over here. I don't know if I need that, but just using up some paints that I used before, so. All right, so there. What other color did I need? Some green. This is a Winsor Newton. I'm just going to put some green around the edges. I think I need a bit thinner. Anyway, I hope this turns out. I hope this turns out again and again. You never know what you're going to get. Okay, so, do you think I have enough red there? Need more red. I like the red. Okay, that's probably enough red. I have another green. This is I had a sap green. And this is called permanent green middle, whatever that means. It's Winsor Newton. Trying to get this to stream, but it's not streaming. Okay. Okay, that's done. Okay, so copper, red, yellow. I wonder what that'll look like. Well, I think there's enough paint there. I think there should be. I had had some gold here somewhere. I don't know where it is. What did I do with that gold? I need gold. Here's the gold. I'll drizzle a little gold. All right, that should be enough. Okay, so take this canvas. And I should have put some little tacks in the bottom, but I didn't. Oh, and they need a bit of paint there. All right. I'm going to put this down very gently. This is a small canvas. I think it's 4 by 4. Okay, so I think you just pick it up gently on the sides. Try and go straight up, I think. Oh. Oh, look at that. That's very pretty. Oh, I like it. Oh, I don't have to do anything with that one. Looks like the bud in the middle. Ah. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I like the red. I haven't done anything in red for a while. So, red, yellow, copper, and gold. I wonder if I can dip another one. What do you think? Should I try it? Can't waste all that paint. I can have 2 matching ones. How's that? Why not? Why not? Oh, this canvas is a bit loose. Oh, I should have tightened it first. Just a cheapie. Now this might not work as well because the canvas is loose. I didn't notice that until I started to put paint on it. Anyway, I'll push it down. I wonder if I need a bit more paint. Seems to be enough. Put some copper here. Lost my yellow stick. I'll use green. I'm going to use my... Alright, that's a little bit of gold and then I think I'm good. Of course I have to put more red. See what happens. It's not a very nice day outside. It's a good day to paint inside. It's raining, raining, raining. Up here in Ontario, Canada, where I live. I know there's people from all over the world watching. It's really pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. Move this one out of the way. Push that bump down in there. I know this one's going to come out different because it's got a loose canvas. What you do if you see a loose canvas like that? Oh. Okay, I better do this. My battery's running low. If you have a loose canvas, spray it with water. And let it dry. And it should tighten it. Please, camera, don't go off. Well, that's different. That looks like a rose. Yes, it's that canvas. I'm going to leave it though. It'll tighten. It should tighten with the wet paint on it. Okay, thanks for watching. Come back to my art room another day and subscribe and all that good stuff. Check the description below. There's a link in there for our new Facebook group that we've started with my sisters, Art with Susan King and Dianne, Dropping Paint with Dianne, by Dianne. There's a link in the description. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.